I am Mita Naya and today is a Saturday and the date is 9th October and I will tell about Holy Festival and uh, and I will tell that how I enjoy this day with my family members, with my friends, etc. And I'm starting now. This Holy Festival is really very well big festival to us, and everybody enjoy it. Everybody enjoy this festival with their friends, with their family members, and I enjoy a lot with my all neighbors, with my parents, with my neighbors friends. I have some friend in my neighbor, and they play holy with me, and we really enjoy a lot this day bring lots of happiness in my life, and not just my in my life, everyone in everyone life. This is really very holy festival. Everybody celebrate it. Every people of different religion can celebrate it. It's really very big festival to everyone, and I always stay very excited for this festival. And during this festival, I got some gift from my father. Means when I was child, then my father brought some things, brought some colors for me. He brought some. Sometimes he brought some mask of different animal, or some animals, or artificial mask, he bought for me. And he otherwise he bought lots of color every time. And I really stayed very excited during this day, because I knew that I will get lots of things during this day. Means everybody, when I was child, then everybody gave me lots of things during these day. And mm, and during this day we can give color to everyone. Anybody, during this day anybody don't scold us, and everybody enjoy with us. Means senior, junior, everybody can enjoy with us. And I really enjoy a lot during this day with everyone. And at first, during this day, at first, we create a group. I told before that I have a group of friend in my locality. So at first we created a friend cycle. And this day everybody give comes. Everybody means junior, means some child also give company to us. Sometimes we do some prank with some people. Means who don't like to get this color. We give color to her or him. Means these day anybody they don't want to get angry on anyone. You can, if I give color, I can give color to everyone. Means during this day anybody don't scold me. And I can give color to everyone. And I told that at first I create a friend group. Then then we select person, that to whom we can give color, to whom we can give color, to whom we can do mischief. And there are some uncles in my locality who also give company to us. Means who also, we always do mischief with them, and they also give color to us. Means these day means I get lots of color. And I give lots of color to everyone. Green, then pink, yellow, red, different types of color. Sometime we mix all color. Like we mix pink color, red color, yellow color, every color we mix and create one new color. And this color we give everyone. Means this day, and some uncle also give watercolor to us. This watercolor is really very bad color. Means everybody gives, most of the people want to give it. It's really very tough to remove this watercolor from face, from hand. And so that's why I don't want to take watercolor. But if I don't want, then anybody don't listen my words. Everybody give me watercolor. And this when I wash my face, then it get impossible to remove it so easily. So this watercolor, when I was child, then my mother, mm when I was child, then I wanted to give watercolor to everyone, but my mother don't allow me, because just it everybody should not give it to child. They should this watercolor can use some younger people, some young ages person can use, but it's not safe for child. So when I was child, then I want to get what means then I want to use watercolor, then I want to give watercolor. So that's why when I did not want to listen my mother words, then my mother did some tricks with me. I could not understand then. My mother mix powder color with water, and I thought that it's real watercolor, but it's not real watercolor. But um, but she did it for stopping me, for from um, and when my mother gave it to me, then I feel very happy. Then I give this color to everyone. And I really feel very happy. But everybody took this color very easily, means anybody did not tell me for not giving, etc. But they took it properly. But and I also feel very happy to see it that everybody is taking my color. Watercolor, anybody don't want to take watercolor. I told before that it's really very tough to remove from skin. So that's why when everybody took my watercolor, then I felt really very happy. Then I thought that they love me. Yes, they love me. But then I thought, means then I feel very happy. Then I feel very excited, means then I thought that they are taking my colors, but they are not taking anyone's color. Means then I feel very proud for myself, means another happiness, and I got another happiness. But I did not know that my mother mix powder color with water and gave it to me. Then I did not know it, because everybody knew it. Means and now I am in a phase, I can use it. I can use watercolor. My mother don't do any trick with me now, because I also don't like watercolor so much. Means when anybody give it to me, then I take, but I don't like it. I told that it's really very tough to remove it. So that's why I use powder color. I get powder color, give to powder color to everyone. But now I see that there are some kids in my locality, and their mother does these tricks with them. Then I could then I they does it all time with them. And then I laugh, means then I think that there had one time when my mother did it with me. So and I also did that. They also give this color to everyone, because they don't know that their mother do same tricks. Means their mother does some tricks with them. And they really, I see that they stay really very excited, they stay really very happy. And they and when anybody take their color of child's color, then they really feel very happy. And it's look really very beautiful. Means I also feel very happy to see them. And And if we don't allow us to get to take if we and if we don't give a color to them, if we don't give permission to them to use watercolor, then they feel very sad, means then they feel very upset. So that's why everybody does some tricks with this child, means once it happened with me also. But now I can use, sometime I use watercolor, but it's really very it's rare. It's rare I use watercolor. I normally I use powder color. My mother don't allow me to use watercolor, means watercolor. I stay really very excited from morning, from not from morning previous day of Holi. I stay really very excited because previous day of Holi do we do an arrangement, like we burn some dry leaf and tell a rhyme. And it also rule, means it's a kind of rule, means we do it every year before Holi. And after that, in the during the day of Holi we celebrate. And at first we collect some wood, we collect some dry leaf from everywhere, and everybody help them. And every younger person of our locality, means every younger person give company to everyone, means we also celebrate it very shortly at night, especially at night we celebrate it. And this rhyme is really very beautiful rhyme. And at first I could not memorize the rhyme, but after that, day by day, when I to listen, means I could memorize it. To listen I could memorize this rhyme. And this rhyme is really very beautiful rhyme. Everybody tell this rhyme during burn woods, dry leaf. And sometime in this and sometime some people also give potatoes, some veggies in it. And uh, and during this Holi, everybody worship to Lord Radha Krishna. And so during this day everybody worship them. And my mother also do worship during this day, not so bigly, but she do a short worship in my home every year. And we also get prasad from everywhere, means from different places we get prasad. And we eat sweet. This sweet is really very common thing during this day. When anybody come in my home, then we give sweets to them. Or if I go anyone's house, then they give us sweets, means this sweets is a common thing, popular thing. During this day everybody fed it to everyone. Once I did a mischief. Then I got punishment from my mother. Once, then I was child, then I did not have any knowledge, so much knowledge about anything. Then maybe I did it in class 5 or class 6 maybe. And then I got some watercolor, I got powder color. And I always stay very excited from morning. And I always wanted to give color to everyone as early as possible. Then at morning, then it was 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. Then everybody, means anybody was not ready to come outside or for getting color. um, and my mother was doing worship, and I could not stay in the home, means I was feeling very restless. That I was feeling very restless, means I could not stay more. Means I was wanting to go outside, and I was wanting to give color to everyone, means I was wanting to celebrate it. But my mother was not giving me permission to go outside. And because it was not proper time to go outside, because every year we start to play at from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. 2 p.m. Means we start to to celebrate it from 11 or 11:30 a.m. But then I was a child, so that's why I did not had so much concept about anything. So at 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. I was feeling very restless and wanting to go outside, and my mother was doing worship, very my and I could not stay in the home, and my mother was doing worship, and then I went to my one neighbor's house secretly. My mother could not understand at first, and I went to my neighbor's house secretly with watercolor to give them. And this day I scolded by my mother, by everyone, means I did big mistake this day. And I went to their home, their house, and I was spreading the color everywhere in their house, and they got surprised. Means what means I was wanting to enjoy, I was wanting to give color to everyone, but suddenly I went to them house, and they were not prepared for getting color, so that's why they got surprised. And I was giving color to them, and I was spreading the color everywhere, in the wall, in everywhere. And they, at first they got angry also on me. And after that, when I could understand that I did a mistake, I should not do it, then I came back at home, uh, and I stayed very silently, means I was not telling anything to my mother. If my mother could know that I did these types of mistake, then she will scold me. So that's why I came back at home, and seated one place silently. And my mother thought that I will not, I did not do any mistake, or she was normal. But after that, um, and after that they did complain to my mother about me, that what I did. And they give complaint to my mother about me. And this time I really got very nervous, that what will happen this day with me. Means I was feeling very nervous, what will do my mother with me. And they give complaint, already they give complaint to my mother. And my mother, this day my mother did not beat me, but my mother scolded me. Means my mother, at first my mother told me that she will never allow me to go outside. And when she told me that, told this word to me, then I got more nervous. Means what will I do to, means I could not go outside. Means I was I started to cry. Means this day means I did a one mistake. So that's why I got big punishment this day. And after that I don't give watercolor to anyone. Means if anybody got angry, so that's why, I always want to give powder color to everyone. Everybody get take it properly, and anybody don't tell anything to me. But these watercolors, after happening this incident, I don't give watercolor. Mm, but this day my mother gave me permission to go outside, but my mother stayed very angry on me. Means she was not talking with me at first. And after that, she got normal. But at first she was not talking with me, she got angry on me. And and after that I don't do any mischief, any mistake can do everyone, but I don't do any mischief, serious mischief with anyone. I just listen my mother words, and I go outside at 11:30 or 12 p.m. and enjoy with everyone. And if anybody call me to go outside, then I go. Otherwise I don't go by myself. Means I after this incident I really stay very active. Means I really stay very careful. And these all things happen at morning, means at noon, from morning to noon. These types of incident always happen. And everybody give company to us. and I also have some relatives, and they come in my home at noon. They don't stay, they stay so near from my home, so they every year they come and give color to us, we give color to them, eat sweets, and after that they come back their home, and sorry, they go back their home again. And my mother also enjoy a lot with all aunts of in my locality. And my father get color from everyone. And this day I can spend very, very happily. And at afternoon and afternoon and at evening, when I have any sometimes we do some picnic. No, it's very rare. Sometimes we go to any relatives home. Sometimes some relatives come in my home, and we throw short homely get together, and we eat some delicious food. My mother cook some delicious food during this day. My mother cooks lots of delicious food, and we eat it. And I told that the sweet is compulsory. Everybody eats sweets during this day. And at evening, some people arrange some get together, means some people also arrange for some worship. I told before that during this day some people also do worship of Lord Radha Krishna. So in some temple they do worship, they does worship of Lord Radha Krishna. And in some people also does worship in their house. And lots of people do lots of work during this day. And during this holy festival, some people also go outside. Some people like to go outside and for travel, for having travel. But during no once I went to my maternal house during this holy festival. um, there I could not enjoy because I went to my maternal uncle's house for some work. Means my grandmother died, and we had some formal work there in my maternal uncle's house, so that's why we went. And this day means this was the first time, it was the first time when I could not enjoy holy festival. Means when I did not get any color during this day. Means this day this year I could not celebrate this holy festival because I was in maternal uncle's house. And for some formal work, we had some formal work, so that's why we had also some rules. We could not get color. Anybody in my maternal uncle's house could not get color. And but I enjoyed with my all cousins. And it is true that it was the first time when I could stay present in my maternal uncle's house during this day, during this holy festival. So it's right that we could not get color, but we enjoyed a lot with my all cousins. We gossiped at evening we went to the outside. Means some wandering some places we went together. And when I went to my maternal uncle's house, then I stayed together with everyone, with my all cousins. And so that's why we stayed together and stayed happily. And once during this day I was in home. I enjoyed a morning with my all neighbors, with my all neighbors, with my all friends. And at evening, at night, some relatives came in my home. Means lots of relatives came. My some aunt came in my home, and my mother cooked some delicious food with for them. And this day I remember. And every year my mother did worship. My mother does worship. um, So that's why they came in my home, for getting prasad, for get for having prasad. So that's why they came. When they came, it was a holiday, means it was a perfect day. So that's why my mother cooked some food for them quickly, and then they ate it. And they ate food, and they also got prasad. And my mother, every year my mother give prasad to everyone. um, actually some relatives come for taking prasad, and for this pandemic situation we could not enjoy properly, means for this pandemic situation in this year, I celebrate, but means most of the people, most of the neighbors can no, most of the neighbors did not come outside and did not want to take color. And everybody, most of the people was stay in the home. And but I told that I had some friend, I have some friend in my locality. They came outside and they called me at first, and then I went outside and played holy with them. I enjoyed, but not like every year. And these day most of the people use powder color, and anybody don't force anyone to get color, to take color. Otherwise every year, everybody, everywhere, everybody force everyone to take color. If don't want to take color, then they have to give color to me. But these day they don't do it. If I want to take color, then they will give. Otherwise they did not give any color to anyone, forcefully. And and some people was not giving permission for going outside or for taking color. So these Holi, these in this year, I could celebrate Holi, but I told before that not like means we did not use, means anybody did not use any watercolor. Everybody used. Uh, Anybody did not yes, everybody used powder color. Anybody did not use watercolor in this day, because otherwise there had lots of restriction from government. So that's why anybody did not take risk. And maybe the seller, watercolor seller, could not sell watercolor in this day, in this year, maybe because anybody did not buy watercolor. Everybody play holy with powder color, sif powder color. But still I could enjoy.